Leçon 4. Devinez means guess. Écoutez et regardez. Listen and see. Anish. Salut Manuel. Bon anniversaire. Hi Manuel. Happy birthday. Manuel. Merci beaucoup Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Thank you very much Anish. What is this? Anish. C'est un cadeau. This is a gift. Manuel. C'est un livre? Is it a book? Anish. Non, ce sont des chocolats. No, these are chocolates. Manuel. Oh, c'est gentil. Et elle, qui est-ce? Ah, that is so kind. And she, who is this? Anish. C'est une amie. Elle s'appelle Nadia. This is a friend. Her name is Nadia. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est une chaise. This is a chair. Ce sont des livres. These are books. C'est un vélo. This is a bicycle. Qui est? Who is this? C'est Napoleon. This is Napoleon. C'est un garçon. This is a boy. Ce sont des garçons. These are boys. Qui est ou qu'est-ce que c'est? Who is this or what is this? Qui est also means who are these? To find out about people. Example 1. Il répare des voitures. Il est mécanicien. Which means he repairs vehicles. He is a mechanic. Which will be the answer for qui est, which means who is this? Also, we have another example, number 2. C'est un ami. This is a friend. Ce sont des amis. These are friends. Which also is the answer for qui est. Who is this? Or who are these? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this or what are these? It is to find out about objects or animals. C'est un stylo. Ce sont des stylos. This is a pen. These are pens. Which will be the answer for qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this or what are these? C'est un oiseau. Ce sont des oiseaux means this is a bird. And these are birds. Which are the answer for qu'est-ce que c'est? Means what is this or what are these? Des fruits et des légumes means fruits and vegetables. Des fruits, fruits. Une banane means a banana. Une pomme means an apple. Un orange means an orange. Une mangue means a mango. Une papaye means a papaya. Un raisin means grapes. Une cerise means cherries. Un ananas means pineapple. Un litchi means loiti. Une pastèque means watermelon. Une fraise means strawberry. Une pêche means peaches. Une prune means plum. Une date means dates. Des légumes means vegetables. Une pomme de terre means a potato. Un concombre means a cucumber. Une aubergine means aubergine or eggplant or brinjal. Un piment means a chili. Une tomate means a tomato. Un chou means a cabbage. Un petit pois means green peas. Une carotte means carrot. Un chou-fleur means cauliflower. Un oignon means an onion. Un haricot vert means green beans. Un poivron means bell pepper. Une salade verte means lettuce or greens. Un champignon means mushroom. Page 53, exercise 1. Trouvez la question et la réponse. Find the question and the answer as given in the examples. Example 1. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Answer. C'est un livre, which means, what is this? Answer is, this is a book. Example 2. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Means, what are these? Answer is, ce sont des livres. Means, these are books. Now, let's come to exercise 1. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Means, what are these? Ce sont des fleurs. Means, these are flowers. Next exercise. Qui est? Means, who is this? Answer is, c'est un garçon. Means, this is a boy. Next question. Qui est? Means, who are these? Answer is, ce sont des filles. Means, these are girls. Next question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Means, what is this? The answer is, c'est un bicyclette. Means, it is a bicycle. Or, c'est un vélo. Means, this is a bicycle. Next. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Means, what are these? The answer is, ce sont des ballons. Means, these are balls. Next question. Qui est? Means, who is this? The answer is, c'est Monsieur Tendulkar. Means, this is Mr. Tendulkar. Next question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? means what is this? The answer is c'est un cartable, means this is a school bag. Next question, qu'est-ce que c'est? Means what is this? The answer is c'est un avion, means this is an aeroplane. Next, exercise 4, page 55. Match the following. Question number 1. Pêche means peaches. For that, C is the answer. Question number 2. Professor means a professor. Here we have to connect professor to the board. The answer is E. Question number 3. Mang means mango. The answer is B. Étudiant means student. The answer is A. Number 5. Mahatma Gandhi. The answer is D. Exercise number 5. Mettez les phrases en ordre means put the sentences in order. Question number 1. Sont étudiants ce des. The order is ce sont des étudiants. Question number 2. Ce et que. Ce que et. The order is qu'est-ce que c'est? Question number 3. Et qui ce. Question mark. The order is qui est? Question number 4. Et chaise une ce. The answer is c'est une chaise. Question number 5. Son cahier ce des. The answer is ce sont des cahiers. Page 56. Exercise 6. Faites des questions pour ces réponses en utilisant qui est ou qu'est-ce que c'est. Means write the question for the answers. Question number 1. The answer given is c'est un garçon, means this is a boy. The question will be qui est, means who is this? Question number 2. The answer given is ce sont des bouteilles d'eau, means these are water bottles. The question will be qu'est-ce que c'est, means what are these? Question number 3. C'est une boîte repas, means this is a snack box. The question will be qu'est-ce que c'est, which means what is this? Question number 4. The answer given is c'est un chien, means this is a dog. The question will be qu'est-ce que c'est, means what is this? Question number 5. Ce sont des filles, means these are girls. The question is qui est, means who are these? Question number 6. C'est un oiseau, means this is a bird. The question is qu'est-ce que c'est, meaning what is this? Question number 7. The answer given is ce sont des lions, means these are lions. The question will be Qu'est-ce que c'est? Means what are these? Question number 8. The answer given is C'est un ami, means this is a friend. The question will be Qui est? Which means who is this?